living here in Miscouche and work at Slemon Park, Standard Arrow, and my wife and I, we decided that we were going to be staying in this property until our retirement at least, so we've got about 15 years to go until there, and we wanted to have a fixed cost for energy bill and move more to electric heat for a cleaner way to heat the home, and that was kind of the driver for looking into solar. We were burning oil and burning wood for our home heating, and we ended up around 2012 we put in 2 heat pumps. So we saw a drastic increase in the heating cost with the heat pump. So we would have some bills that would be up in the area of around $350 a month, and it was just another bill that was, hard to pay, sort of thing. So. Well, I first saw a post on Facebook was where I first heard about Sunly, and talked about new incentive that the provincial government was doing here in PEI for the solar rebate. So started looking into it a little bit, and then just sent off the messenger message to ask for more information, and that kind of started from there. So after we sent the first message, we had a visit from our sales guy, Brian, came to the house and met with us, kind of explained everything out, showed us the proposal that they had for our property, and we basically, any questions that we had, if Brian didn't know it, he was able to check and get back to us with the answers that we needed. It was a little bit challenging at first with everything that was going on with the pandemic. There was some delays with being able to get the project started. Once they got on site though and got things going, we had another little delay that came from we were doing an upgrade to our service. So there was breakers that we had to get that were going to be specific to the 200 amp upgrade, and there was delays involved with that just because of a shortage that was basically throughout North America and getting breakers. But working with Jason and the team, they were able to get things resolved and get back on track in the fall, and had our system running in October. Yes, yeah. So normally this time of year would be when we're running the heat pumps the most. So through the colder months we would have supplement heat with burning wood. But this would be a month that typically we would have a $350 or maybe a little bit more light bill. And last month our bill was $50. So that was basically the service charge, and we have a street light that has an extra fee on it that we're going to be soon getting rid of, and we'll power our own street light. Yeah, we've actually been recommending it to family and friends. So my son actually has signed for a system that's going to be going in this spring sometime, a roof mount system, and my brother's very interested in it too. He's been looking at the options for a ground mount similar to what we have. So also at work, talk to people there. They see the posts that I put on Facebook every now and again of how the system is working for us, and get lots of questions. And yeah, we've been recommending Sunly for a lot of our friends and family. Yes, we've already recommended Sunly to other friends and family. So if I had to do it again, I would probably shop around. But I know from the experience that we had with Sunly that it's a great team, and they do they do take customer satisfaction seriously, and they make things right. Just the quality of the service. The guys that came on site to do the work, they cleaned up after themselves. There was never any mess left behind. Very friendly. Answered any questions. If there was something that they didn't know, they would be able to get the information and let us know, give us the answer that we were looking for. So just all around great team to work with. I would, well, first I'd recommend Sunley to talk to, but it never hurts to shop around and look for other options. But I think that once they look at the different options that are there, Sunley has a really good package, and the team is great to work with. So you'll have a pretty good feeling of what direction you want to go. But for us, it was to go with Sunley. We did look at another option, and when we compared the two, it was the right choice for us.